Hey guys, hope you're doing well. In this video, we're going to be talking about making money as an affiliate on Gumroad, and I'm also going to be throwing in here a Gumroad's a Gumprofits review. Now, I picked up this course from Chris Hardy. You can see him right here on the page. This is Chris Hardy. He is an affiliate marketer, a full-time affiliate marketer, and he also is a top 25% affiliate on Warrior Plus. So he does know what he's talking about when it comes to affiliate marketing. He just released a course yesterday called Gumprofits, and it specifically is talking about how you can actually make money as an affiliate on Gumroad. And I have some unique experience with doing this exact thing, which this is a little known platform as far as it's pretty well known as far as vendors making products and selling them on there, but it's not really thought of as an affiliate platform. But you can have affiliates on any of your products. It does have to be manually approved, so it works a little bit different than Warrior Plus, but I can show you how it all works, and I can actually show you how I've actually put this exact thing that Chris is teaching in Gumprofits. I've actually experienced it for myself and made some good money with it from one product. And he's talking about going out and you basically have unlimited products to promote. And what makes this really cool is that you would actually be going after and becoming an affiliate of evergreen type products. You guys know the drill. If you promote Warrior Plus products, they're only alive for about 3 to 7 days max. And then the launch is over. And then vendors are now coming out with their next product. And the product, for the most part, is forgotten after about a week. Well, this is a completely different marketing method where you can actually be promoting these products in an evergreen way to where they will make you money day after day, week after week, month after month. So let's jump in. Really exciting stuff. This is definitely a course that will teach you real methods, a real strategy that you can actually go out for free and start implementing as an affiliate marketer and start making money. So let's jump in real quick. Now, just to show you that I know what I'm talking about and that I can actually support his course and give you the green light or the thumbs up. I've purchased this course and I've gone through the entire thing. So there's no incentive for me right here. I wasn't asked by him to make this video or anything like that. I actually picked up the course because I wanted to see if there was some things that I was not aware of, because I've actually made money as an affiliate on Gumroad as well. And I fully vetted the course, and it is a really, really good course where you can learn a lot about how to be an affiliate and make money on Gumroad. Now, most of my money on Gumroad has come from being a vendor or being a product creator, right? I usually average around $1,000 a month on the platform. If you come over here, I have several products. Some are low content, coloring book type products. If you've been a subscriber of mine for a while, you know that I also do low content and coloring books. I have since then taken all those videos off this channel, Teach Me Money Methods, and move those over to another channel. But that's why you see a lot of these products over here. But we have PLR Profits Academy, Small YouTube, Big Profits, and Fiverr Profits Academy is on this platform as well. That's a long story short. I'm not going to get into that in this video. It's on 2 platforms actually. But if we come over here and we just go over to all time, it's been about a year since I've been selling on here, and this is 14,000 that I've made on here in vendor sales, right? So very consistent. You can see all the lines here and the stats, and 14,000, which is really, really cool. And that's a really good sales percentage as well, a conversion rate. So if I come over here to payouts, just to show you that, I make money as an affiliate as well. Right here, you can see affiliate commission earned. I made $27 that week right there, right? And every Friday, it's either Thursday or Friday, I get paid from Gumroad, and they just deposit money right into my account. And it's anywhere from $100 to $400 or $500 a week, depending on how good the week was. This works, but this is what we're going to be focusing on this video and in this course, Gumprofits, is how you can make affiliate commissions. Now, if I take this over the span of since about January of this year, so about 10 months, just one product that I picked up on Gumroad that I was like, this is a great product. Let's go ahead and I would like to promote this product as well, because it's just such a great tool. I was doing tutorials on YouTube and everything, and I was just like, well, people are going to ask for it, so I'm going to drop a link below. And that's how you do affiliate marketing in a non-pressured type way, right? You're just using a valuable tool. People like it, they click the link and they go and purchase it. There's no really selling involved. It's the best and my favorite style of affiliate marketing, helping people out and then making commissions. But you can see right here, I've logged in to my Gmail account, and you can see over here, I typed in this string right here. You helped Bose Publishing make a sale. So every time you make an affiliate commission on Gumroad, Gumroad's going to come out, and it's basically going to tell you who the vendor was that you made an affiliate commission for, right? And so you can count through here. This is Gumroad. You helped them make a sale, and you can come through here, and I've counted about 27 of those. So if you take that 27, right, you take $27, and each one was an average of $27. It was like 28 sales, and it's times $27. So you're looking at it was $756. And I can just click on one of these and you will see, it'll tell you what product it was. And I'll blur that out, the buyer's name. I will blur that out. But you can see that the total price was $54. You get a 50% commission. So I earned $27 right there, right? And so you can see all these sales that have come in since January 1st. And there was probably some earlier too, but January 1st all the way, February, March, April, and then June, July, August, September, October. So it's very consistent, right? This is one product I made a couple of videos about, and in January of 2021, and it's October of 2021, and you can see the sales just poured in. This is one product and made over $700 from the one product. So this is just proof that this actually works. Imagine if you promoted 30 to 50 products and made this your full-time gig. You could turn this into a full-time income. And you would be promoting really, really good products, because you can basically, I'm going to show you how to do that. But let's go out and see what Chris is all about. And just to show, he's got a few products on here in Warrior Plus. And you can see, well, it looks like he's in Taiwan. And his name's Chris Hardy, but I like to see what their status is and what their reputation on their account is on Warrior Plus. And when you see a badge at 25% affiliate, I don't think he has a big following or anything. He doesn't have a big following on Warrior Plus, and he's not really a huge vendor or anything like that. So he's just getting started with product creation. But I do like to see that he is grinding it out. He is an affiliate on Warrior Plus, and he is a top 25. So that means out of 100 people that are promoting products on Warrior Plus, he's in the top 25, which is really, really good. I believe I'm in the top 10% for Warrior Plus. But we're going to go over here and check out his course now, right? So this is the sales page. I'm not going to really go over the whole thing, because I've really explained exactly what it is right now. And I definitely do endorse this, and I do encourage you to pick this up if this is something that you want to get into and you're tired of just the traditional, going to Munch Eye every day. If you go to Munch Eye right here and you see what are the latest products today, and you pick one and you go out and try to make a review video and do all the classic launch jacking, or send this out to your list and all that. So this is still a really, really good. This is one of the primary affiliate marketing methods, and definitely in the make money online industry. But when you want to go out there and look at almost any niche, if you were into yoga, right, or weightlifting or music or anything like that, these are legitimate niches. I'm going to show you that in a minute. We're going to go back to Gumroad. But this is it. There's no bold claims on here. He's not saying you're going to make $1 million overnight. You're welcome to watch this video. He introduces himself, shows you the sales he's making as well. Same thing. Look, you helped this person make a sale. So on Gumroad, right, you'll get an email from Gumroad. Super cool stuff. It's exciting when you get those emails. And, it is true. There isn't really any technical skills. You will, it's encouraged to make, I would use YouTube as well. But the course is specifically showing you how to build web pages on a couple of different methods and platforms to build web pages and rank your content at the top, because there's not going to be any competitors, because nobody else is out there is doing this. So this is a really, really unique opportunity. A really, really good course, but there's no bold claims, make $1 million one click overnight. So this is actually a real training course. It's $17, only for the limited time, for the launch period, for a few days, but you can read through here. There's nothing hypey about it. He just tells you exactly what you can do. You can realistically make $100 a day if you put this into good work or good use. And it's not just two steps, click here, sign up, click here, $1 million. No, it's actually tells you exactly. You're going to have a content creation plan, right? You're going to have to create content. You're going to have to put some work into this to make money. But yeah, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and then so forth. And interesting right here, I will say obviously he's an affiliate marketer. He knows how to make money on Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. Didn't do a whole lot of screenshots of the Gumroad thing. So obviously he does have proof of making money on Gumroad and the video up here, but I would have liked to see more screenshots right here and not for these other platforms. But nonetheless, that would just be one of my only kind of critiques of the sales page. There is a money back guarantee, super cool stuff. And he has a bunch of bonuses you can go through right there. $17. Now let's go and look at the members area. Here's Gumprofits. I'm going to log into the account real quick and show you what it's all about. It is built on Clickfunnels, and this is a great opportunity for you to see, if you're not a Clickfunnels user, the quality of Clickfunnels. I have a different program that I use that will build out sites and membership sites like this very easy and very quickly. And you're not limited, paying $100 a month for the lowest plan, and you only get 20 funnels with Clickfunnels. So yes, it is the industry standard, but it is pricey. It's $100 or $300 per month, depending on what plan you get. Well, I use HBA Funnel Builder, and you can go to the resources section in the link below, and you can go and check that out. And it's only $25 a month, and you can build out unlimited courses and products, and you can link up as many domains as you want to the tool as well. So it's a super, super cool tool. And I just got tired of paying $100 to $300 a month and being limited, whereas the tool that I use is only $25 a month. So I really encourage people, if they're serious about their business, just to go and pay $25 a month to the tool that I use. All right, so let's get back on track. So you have the introduction, and he's going to explain to you how you can rank medium web pages and use this strategy, which I've never heard of this concept before, as far as specifically going after Gumroad products, which is super cool. So you are learning something very unique. You have the initial setup, you have choosing a niche, and he goes really in depth with this stuff, right? So each what would you call this category or module has there's 2 videos there, there's 3 videos there, there's 3 videos there, and there's 3 videos there. So it's a lot. It's probably a good hour and a half course. I would say 1.5 to 2 hours long course with about 15 videos or so. And it's really, really good. He's got some handouts and resources that you'll see underneath the section as well. Watched the entire course yesterday, and it was really, really good. This will definitely give you a leg up on anyone else that doesn't know about this. Most people do not know about affiliate marketing with Gumroad. So one last thing I want to show, and then I'll close up the video, is if we go back over to Gumroad, right? I showed you that I make money on Gumroad. I make money with affiliate commissions and do exactly what he's doing, but I haven't heard of very many people know about this, right? And I just showed you right over here. Here is all my proof of, yep, I'm an affiliate marketer with Gumroad as well. From one product, made $700. So do the math, do 30 to 50, sign up to 30 products and take this serious. You'll have yourself a full-time income for the year. Now we come back over here. If you go to Discover over here in Gumroad, right? You're going to come over here. This is where you're going to be able to discover products and that sort of thing, right? So you're going to be able to go over here now, anything under the sun. So you don't have to be in the make money online niche, right? So there's animation and apps and software, books and writing, comedy, all kinds of stuff. You're going to be able to find a product, and let's just come down here. So you're going to be able to see that, like, wow, I don't know what that is. We're going to skip that. But certainly anything that has over 50 reviews is going to definitely be something that has an influencer of some sort. And you're going to be able to make some good commissions and just amazing stuff. There is thousands of products. So like if I did type in make money, if we type in make money and just push enter, I think it shows us how many. So there's 2,200 products right here in with make money as the keyword tag, right? Like right here. This is great. Ellie Talks Money, the 7-figure starter pack. And you could go out and you would find this person and you'd be able to get approved as an affiliate. So if you want to learn in depth how to do this, and that's just the surface area of the strategy, he in this course, Gumprofits, he tells you exactly what to do. He even gives you a template on how to reach out to the vendors and so forth. So, again, a thumbs up, and it is a really, really good, course. It's not your typical product release promising you to make $1 million overnight. So, go pick this up before the price goes up. It's only available for the next few days at $17. Link below. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on more great content. See you next time.